Happy homecoming!
Homecoming at Mines, it's a giant get-together. It's a great way to kind of build community, which is one of my favorite parts about being at Mines, is the traditions and the community that the student body has.
This is the best ways engineers have fun.
Friday, we bring a comedian to campus, and that's free for students and always a great time. And then we do the bonfire in Q Lot, which is also amazing every year.
Saturday of homecoming, there's a homecoming 5K in the morning, and then we have a street fair on Capitol Commons.
Then there's 2 tailgates, one for alumni and one for students, and then there's the football game.
And then usually we end it off with some sort of Saturday night event. This year it's ballroom and casino night. In past years it's been a concert.
Yesterday I went to the Fall Festival, which is a new thing this year, and that was super fun. There was a hayride, there was pumpkin painting, there was free food. So it was super fun.
I'm a master's student here, and this is so intimate, being able to see all the students here and just experience every tradition. It's been amazing, and I feel like a great Oredigger right now. I just met a random dude, and now we're cool. So I've met a lot of people who I wouldn't meet on a regular basis.
Yeah, it's great to connect with other master students. I feel like it's just usually the people in your classes, so it's nice to meet people outside of our specializations.
It's just a really great break because midterms just started for me and a bunch of other students, and I think being able to do some fun events and get some free food is great.
Favorite part of homecoming is just the energy. So many alumni come out, families come out, and it is just absolutely electric.
It's really fun to come back to campus to see what's changed, and just the energy of being around all the students takes you back to being in their shoes, what it was like.
You become part of this really awesome and tight-knit community, and I think that's what makes the spirit at Mines so lively and the homecoming tradition so special.
I love homecoming, never miss it, couldn't be happier.